The Prime Minister, Dr. Barnabas Sibusiso Dlamini, has praised the public-private partnership which was shown during the reconstruction of Endlaleni Primary School classrooms in Macudvulwini. The Prime Minister praised the partnership during the handover of the constructed classrooms, which was largely funded by government, Swazi MTN and Swaziland Empowerment Limited under the 21 Days of Yellow Care program. We have a report.
The pupils of Endlaleni Primary School will now be encouraged and proud to go to school following the complete reconstruction of classrooms, which was done through a partnership between His Majesty's Government, Swazi MTN, Swazi Empowerment Limited, as well as other companies and partners under the MTN 21 Days of Yellow Care. The reconstructed school was handed over to His Majesty's Government, and it was received by the Prime Minister, Dr. Barnabas Sibusiso Dlamini, who applauded the public-private partnership, which has become a popular means of financing public service across the world. The Prime Minister says corporate social investment is gaining momentum in the kingdom, which is in reality a form of PPP, with the difference being that the reward to the donor is the moral satisfaction of having helped those in less fortunate position in life, and the social approval gained from being seen to care about and contribute to the well-being of others. The Prime Minister told the gathering that His Majesty's Government pays for pupils in primary schools and the less privileged at secondary and high schools, and he urged parents, in particular those who can afford, to continue assisting His Majesty's Government. The Premier said the school was no longer in a fit state to educate local children, but with the construction of the 7 classrooms built by micro-projects and funded largely by government, MTN and Swaziland Empowerment Limited will have a truly dramatic impact on the community. He said if the lady Endlaleni Primary, who established the school 70 years ago, was present at the ceremony, she would have been immensely proud to see the comprehensively upgraded school.
Silive 7 futhi uhulumende abambisane nabo somabhizinisi, bambisane netinkampani. Tinto letinyenti le kangafisa uhulumende kutenda tibita tindleko letsite, kani phela imbubo emhlaba kanye nendlovukazi imthumile uhulumende ukuthi sive asithuthuke, bantwana babe sesikoleni bonke.
The Prime Minister praised the 21 Days of Yellow Care program, which he said did not only reconstruct the school, but together with Macmillan Swaziland and the United States Embassy, they rehabilitated the boys' hostel at Sitegi School for the Deaf. And further, the U.S. Embassy contributed an e-granary digital library to the School for the Deaf and Galamdladla High School.
Bangitshelile ke ukuthi eminyakeni bavama ukufaka imali lecishe ibe tigidzi letibili, cishe ibe ngu 2 million emalangeni. Lo nyaka babeke eceleni imali lecishe ibe tigidzi letine. Sithi asimbonge MTN ngekubambisana nalabo bangani bakhe ukuthi nathi angasikhohlwa lapha Endlaleni Primary School. Sisebenzisana ke na micro projects longena shakutelako nakwakhiwa.
The Prime Minister further thanked Tibio Takangwane for contributing 30 scholarships amounting to 500,000 emalangeni to Galamdladla, Mazombizwe and Nyatsini High Schools. He added that corporate social investment is alive in the country, and he encouraged even more such investment by the private sector to meet the needs of the disadvantaged in the kingdom. The Prime Minister promised the community that government will address the issue of building a high school in the area, and that one issue that will be attended to immediately is the construction of teachers' houses. And he praised teachers across the country for doing a commendable job in educating Swazi pupils. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Dlamini at Endlaleni, Macudvulwini.